Colin here from Sills Argo in Trenton. Just doing a quick video to show you a common problem we see on the older Briggs and Stratton Vanguard engines, anywhere from the 16, 18 horse, or the 20, even some of the 23s. This governor cover, engine case cover here, there's a gasket in behind it. You have to pull the engine out of the machine most of the time and the clutch off it, but this is the gasket that we see that fails. On your Argo, you may see that this gasket, you may not be able to see it like you can on these new replacement gaskets, but what they do is they drop in and suck air, and what you end up with is a symptom that simulates carburetor issues or running out of fuel. And that's because your pulse pump, your fuel pump right here, isn't getting the pulse it needs to pump fuel into the carburetor. So that is the replacement gasket part number. Colin from Sills Argo.